Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Asim Kareem and you're watching my YouTube channel. I would like to start my lecture today with some motivational statements. Let your thesis shine with brilliance and creativity. Let your voice gleam through a variety of available data. And let's make writing and research part of learning process to shine well. My topic today is writing a statement of problem for literary study thesis. Writing a statement of problem for literary study thesis is a daunting task and likely to produce deep-seated anxiety, particularly for inexperienced researchers. Let's understand what is it and how can we comfortably create it. A research problem is a specific issue or knowledge gap you intend to address through your research. In literary studies research, it is not a practical problem, but a theoretical or conceptual one, and aims at broadening the understanding of the subject. A statement is developing and communicating crux of the whole thesis to the reader, and of course yourself in a brilliantly concise fashion. Briefly, it addresses the question, what problem will the research address, and how will you attempt to handle it? Features of statement of problem. Statement of problem contains and highlights the following. First, it contains the problem which is in fact clearly mentioned in your selected topic. Method. How do you mean to address the problem? This is the theoretical framework and specific theory to interpret and explain the problem. It is also a part of your topic. Thirdly, rationale. Why is it significant to address the problem? In other words, what is the rationale for working on it? The problem statement should address not only what the problem is, but why it is important to solve or address it. How will addressing the issue increase knowledge about the subject? And what advantages will it offer in terms of future research? How to write an effective statement. First and foremost, follow a clear, concise, and obvious structure. Remember, the problem in literature thesis is conceptual, and we need to conduct research to develop a better or fresh understanding of it. How to write it. Include 2 W's and 1 H question in your statement of problem. You need to write what is the problem, how can we understand it, and why does it need to be addressed. This will make it easier to write and read, as well as make the problem more understandable and hence addressed. Do's and don'ts of SOP. Follow the academic English principles. Do not write in a very technical and complicated language. Do not discuss the literary text here. Just refer to the main idea that you wish to explore in the thesis. And finally, do not discuss similar research by others here in the statement of problem. Here is an example. On the top is a hypothetical topic. I have deliberately left the text, but you will mention the literary text which you wish to explore and interpret in the thesis. So the topic is an evaluation of epistemic violence in XYZ text. Epistemic violence is the theoretical concept which I wish to explore in XYZ text. Please read this statement of problem very carefully and see the flow of thought and the use of the word. Nothing has been explained. Things have been mentioned with a focus on W's and H. You will see that this statement of the problem also mentions the significance of this study and its future implications.